Welcome students. Today our topic is statistics. So statistics is a different branch of mathematics, is a huge branch of mathematics. So in statistics there are many concepts. So we are going to learn how to find out mean, how to find out median and how to find out mode. So to find mean there are three methods. The first method is direct method, second method is assumed mean method and third method is step deviation method. So today students we are going to learn direct method, that is mean by direct method. So let us see here. Our lesson name is statistics. The first concept we are going to learn, that is mean by direct method. So for that the formula is given here. The formula, that is mean, it is denoted by symbolically x bar. Mean x bar is equal to sigma fi xi divided by sigma fi. So this is a formula for finding mean. So once again I will repeat, mean, that is called as x bar is equal to sigma fi xi divided by sigma fi. So what are the meaning of these? So sigma, it is a Greek alphabet. So it is called as sigma. The meaning of sigma is summation, or in short it is addition, the operation addition. Then next is xi. Xi means class mark. So class mark means midpoint. Suppose the class is 10 to 20, then 15 is called as class mark, or 15 is called as midpoint of the class. The next is fi. Fi stands for frequencies. So students, let us solve mean by direct method by example. So see, the question will be asked like this: find the mean of following data. So what is given here? Class and frequency. So which are the classes given? 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. These are the classes given, and 10, 11, 15, 16, 18 and 14. These are frequencies. So we are going to calculate mean by direct method. So students, let us complete the table. Whatever question was given, so class and frequencies was given horizontally, we have written vertically. The first column is class, it is written vertically. The second column is fi, that is written vertically, that is called as frequency. So class and frequency, these two columns are given in questions. So what is the next? That is, we have to prepare two more columns. The next column is class mark, it is denoted by xi, and the last column is fi into xi. So class mark, the another name of class mark is midpoint. So see students, 20 to 30, the midpoint of the class we can find out by using the common sense, that is 25. Or if you don't have common sense, then what is the method of this? 20 is a lower limit, 30 is a upper limit. Then there is a formula for class mark or midpoint, that is lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. That is the formula. So let us use 20 plus 30 is 50, 50 divided by 2, the answer is 25. So in that way we can calculate the class mark. See, for example, 30 to 40, the class mark is 35. 40 to 50, the midpoint is 45. 50 to 60, the class mark is 55. 60 to 70, the midpoint is 65. So similarly 70 to 80, the midpoint is 75. So we are not going to do the addition of these, but here we have made the addition, that is sigma fi is equal to 84. So sigma stands for summation, addition of the column, which numbers are included in this column. So all numbers addition is done here. 10 plus 11 plus 15 plus 16 plus 18 plus 14. So it gives the answer 84. So in that way we have completed this sigma fi part. Then the last column is fi into xi. So we know fi, that is called as frequency, and we know xi, that is called as class mark or midpoint. Then do the multiplication operation, that is horizontally. So 10 multiplied by 25, the answer is 250. 11 multiplied by 35, the answer is 385. 15 multiplied by 45, the answer is 675. 16 multiplied by 55, that answer is 880. 18 multiplied by 65, that answer is 1170. And the last 14 multiplied by 75, the answer is 1050. The next operation, that is operation addition, and that is denoted by sigma fi xi. So sigma stands for addition, whose addition we are going to make fi into xi. So which numbers are included in this column? So all addition we have to do here, that is first number plus second number plus third number plus fourth plus 5 plus 6. So all these numbers addition is done here, and that gives the answer 4410. So we have seen, students, the table we have completed, and from the table we know the values of sigma fi xi and sigma fi. So finally the formula is written, mean, that is x bar is equal to sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. So this is a formula for finding the mean of the data by using direct method. The next step is below is equal to sign is written, then the value of sigma fi xi is written 4410 from the table we written, divided by 84. So if you calculate this 4410 divided by 84, the answer gives you 52.50, and that is the final answer. Mean x bar is equal to 52.50. So students, this is all about the method, that is mean by direct method. So students, if you not subscribe my channel, you subscribe my channel. My channel name is Sunil Joshi Sir Mathematics. Thank you, students.